Social behavior in pigs includes affiliative behavior. This refers to behaviors that promote cohesion and build and maintain social relationships. Affiliative interactions have been linked to improved health, productivity, and social stability. Understanding the dynamics of these behaviors is therefore important. In pigs, affiliative behavior can include social nosing, lying in contact, allo-grooming, and social play. Social nosing includes snout contact and snout proximity. Nose contact occurs when one pig touches another pig with its nasal disc. Different types of social nosing have been described, depending on the body part being touched: nose to head, and nose to body. Snout proximity occurs when a pig extends its nose toward the snout, the head, or the body of another pig at a distance of less than a head length from the other pig without making contact. Lying in contact may also be considered as affiliative behavior. It can be distinguished by the percentage of body in touch or by body orientation. Here is an example of lying in non-parallel orientation. While in this other case, the pigs assume a parallel orientation, which could eventually be distinguished between head to head or head to tail. Although allo-grooming has been extensively studied in various species, particularly among primates, it has received relatively little attention in pigs. However, some studies have shown that allo-grooming does occur in pigs, albeit infrequently. This behavior typically involves the pig gently nibbling or licking the body or head of a conspecific, without causing any apparent skin damage. Social play includes behaviors like running, chasing, hopping, nudging, as well as snout contact. Social play is considered an indicator of positive welfare.